defenders dito. Pantone. Nabor, that was a difficult set. Paran fading back for that spike. Nabor tossing it up. Malabanan na naman. Casilag sasagot. Cross court, Pantone was there. Malabanan again, popped up by Casilag. Serafica to Pablo from the back row. Pantone. Wala pa rin kupas. The legend from Adamson. Nathan Pantone at work. Nabor, binigay dito kay Malabanan and she breaks down the wall.
Mainit na mainit to si Jerry Lee.
Gustong i-follow up yung kanyang 16 points sa kanilang huling laban. Timeout, Lady Warriors.
Tayong dalawa kanina.